Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at a smartphone, brand new smartphone. But before we do me a favor. Make sure you do me a favor, huge favor to the channel. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, as well as getting notified for more videos just like this. I definitely appreciate you for taking care of that, for doing that for me. Do appreciate that. So let's just jump into the video. Let's just jump right into it. Right here we do have the Umidigi A11. This is the one that I bought off of the world premiere. They did world premiere this one. It was originally $199, but with the world premiere you could get it for like $143. I'm gonna leave a cheap link down below where you can get it for $143 minus $20 with the discount code that they add on there. But what really drew me to it was the solid build quality. It has like this squared all. I'm gonna show you right now. Let's just open it up right now. But do me a favor, make sure you hit the like button. It definitely helps the channel out as well. So I definitely appreciate you for taking care of that as well. So let's just jump into it right now. I'm just gonna cut open this box. It has like a yellow box. I noticed the first boxes that they ever made were white. Then they turned them black. I mean, they were black, then they turned them white. Now they have this new type of box, which looks really crazy. It's yellow. It has this Umidigi. I like this branding right here. This is crazy right here. And then it says Beyond Dreams smartphone. It does give you some specs on the back of here. There's some weight to this. I like the weight on here already. It feels like it's going to be pretty heavy as well. So let's take a look at it and let's see what's inside of here. So there's two tabs that we have to cut. First, let's cut this one. Let me see. And then let's just go ahead and cut this one as well. I should have brought my razor blade. It's a little bit sharper. Helio G25 8 ARM Cortex A53 up to 2 gigahertz clock speed. Android 11 is on here. Android 11 is on here. We do get the 5 gigabyte. I'm sorry, the 5 gigabyte, 4 gigabyte model with 128 gigabytes of RAM on here as well. So 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 ROM. And then you get 2 nano SIM card slots as well as 1 TF card for your storage. 5150 milliamp hour battery for 6.53 inch display for HD plus. Actually, wait, hold on. HD plus 720 by 1600. So it's not full HD. Just keep that in mind. But we do get band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 13. 7, 18, and 19. It doesn't have the global bands on here, but we do get 20, 26, 28, 28, and B and B66 as well. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna take this box open. This does have the global band, so you can pretty much use it in any country, you know what I mean? Anywhere around the world. What we're greeted with is a case on the phone. It says Android. Well, it says Umidigi A11. I was supposed to say. And then you can see right here, we do have the 4 gigabyte model, 128 gigabytes, or you can get the 3 gigabyte model, 64 gigabytes. But either one you choose, you're gonna get that AG matte glass metal frame. That's what I was talking about in the beginning. That's what I was trying to say. I was really excited about the materials that they used on it. It's got that metal frame and that matte glass as well. You also do get the shortcut thing that they use, the signature shortcut pin, 20 by 9 and cinema grade display. So it's got 409 for the PPI. So very high dense when it comes to the screen display. I'm gonna go pop this baby out. We're gonna go ahead and take a look. Wow. That was pretty cool. So everything's there. Everything's greeted right there in the bundle. So this is everything that comes in the bundle, everything that comes in the package. So this is what we're greeted with right here. You can see we do have our, charging brick right here. This looks like it's gonna be like 10 watts or something like that, not 15, but that's still pretty cool. We do have that, the highlighted black with the red cord. And you have our user guide right here, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. We do have the SIM removing card tray right there, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what comes inside of this. I never really opened these. I'm not sure why I'm opening that. Let's put this back inside of here, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the phone. I'm gonna grab the phone now and take a look at wow, it really does have squared off edges. Wow, this is nuts. All right, so you can kind of see it right here, but at this angle right here. I'm gonna see if it can stand on its own, but I'm really really, wow, this is crazy. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, we do get that silicone case with the bundle, but the way that this feels in your hand, it's really a solid, really solid metal right there. And then you get that matte glass on the back. So that's gonna be a crazy build quality to hold on to. It kind of is like the A9 Pro, except I like this one better because it's got more pronounced edges. Very squared off edges. These are very crazy. Let me see if it can stand on its own. Let me see this way. I feel like it could stand on its own, like if you have a table that's flat. This one feels like it's at an angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape on the front of here. Let's go ahead and peel that. Wow. Hold on. I think there's like a screen protector. Oh, here we go. And then it comes off on the back as well. You could see that matte glass on the back. Let me put this right here. So you can see that matte glass on the back. It does say Beyond Dreams. And that really does feel sick. That really feels crazy. That's nuts. They did it again. They really did it again. Here's the power button right here, and I'm gonna hit that. That feels solid as well. You got a nice vibration as soon as I did that. That metal feels good. These don't rock. The volume buttons or the power button don't rock. We got that designated button right there, as well as your SIM remover slot. Umidigi came up on the screen as well. There's no notification light, I don't think, on this device, but we do have a headphone jack at the top right here. You can see at the top, we do have a headphone jack. We also do have Type-C on the bottom as well to charge it. Single firing speaker on here. Android 11 on here. Let's hit the start button. 92% right out of the box. So I think that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and hit skip. We're gonna take a look at the setup process in just a second. Let me see if there's any haptics on the, okay, we got 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. That's pretty sick. Let me see if there's any haptics on the keyboard right now. I'm gonna start typing. Yeah, there's some haptics on the keyboard. You can see that camera. It's a 16 megapixel. We also do get a 5 megapixel on there and an 8 megapixel on the front as well. So let me type in my password and see. Okay, cool. I think I got it. Wow, this feels like really crazy. In my hand, it definitely feels like it's a really solid build quality to it. It's got this really sick build to it. It says that I'm connected and my phone is ready to go. So it's got that dewdrop, that signature dewdrop to it. I don't have any problem with that dewdrop. I have absolutely no issues with that dewdrop on the top of there. It does say it's getting the device ready, but you can see the chin is slightly bigger than the forehead. No issues with that whatsoever. Like I said, again, I don't have any issues with that whatsoever. So, you know, I'm just taking a look at the device right now. The build quality is solid. It's 222 grams of weight. So it's really heavy in the hand. It feels substantial in the hand. This is taking longer than I expected. Look, it's still loading. It's still on the loading screen right here. It says getting your phone ready. So I do apologize. I might just skip the video forward. And it says, before you try anything again. So let's just go ahead and skip that part right there. And then it says you have your Google services on here. So you definitely get all the Google services. Let's see how it says put a screen lock for your pattern. Okay, I entered my PIN twice. And it says, do you want to enter your fingerprint? I'm going to skip that because the fingerprint... Wait, where is the fingerprint actually? Wait, hold on. I'm bugging out now because it doesn't even show like a fingerprint on here. So hold on. Let me see. Where would the fingerprint be? Now, just opening it up, there's no app tray. You have to move it around by swiping like that. And let me go back into security. There is a screen protector on this device that they put on here. It's not gonna stop it from cracking, but it will stop it from scratching. So it says with unlock with fingerprint, Let me see. Okay. So it's on the side? Are you serious? Hold on. The button doubles as a power button. That's crazy. I didn't even see that. So most buttons that are fingerprints on the power button are indented in the phone. This one actually clicks like a regular power button and fingerprint. It's crazy. So let me open that up again with my pen. And so basically what you have to do is put your fingerprint over top of that button. So it's not indented like normal fingerprint buttons would be. So I just want to show you that real quick. And it's a little weird. It's a little weird getting used to. It says that I have to really like press it or something like that and move too slow or something. So this is a sophisticated fingerprint. It's taken really long most of the time. I set these up in like 10 seconds or something like that. So this one's really sophisticated. It's actually taking its time on each press. So you can see right there, I'm almost done. All right, cool. So we're gonna hit done. This does have a night camera on here, so I wanna jump into that. It does have a night camera on here. So if you go to extras, you do see a night mode that we can jump into. It's still setting that up. The screen kind of froze up a little bit right now, so I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna hit back. Let's clear that out. Open that back up. Okay, there we go. Let's hit beauty, and we're getting the beauty mode on here. We do get video mode on here. Let's jump into camera settings. Full HD. Okay, cool. Microphone location. Let's go into picture. You got AI settings right here. We have HDR as well. That's cool. Anti-shake. That's really sick. Let's go into portrait. Okay, we do have portrait mode. That's pretty cool. Let's test out. Let's take a quick portrait mode on here with the portrait camera. You can also adjust the portrait bokeh. This looks good with the 60 megapixel. Actually looks pretty good. Really good detail on there. Not too bad whatsoever. So I definitely like the quality of that. As you can see, the brightness is kind of adjusting itself right here. Let me turn that up a little bit more. This feels good in the hand though. I was surprised how good it felt in the hand. And let's go to extra. Let's see if we can get into our night mode right now. Okay, so this is night mode. Let's take a picture, see how long it takes to register. It's about 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Okay, now we have the picture there. And it brightens it up. It brightens up the picture, makes it look a lot better. What about the selfie camera, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at the selfie camera. But this is just my first impressions, my initial impressions, my unboxing. We also do get a wide angle camera on here. Macro camera, it looks like we get on here. Hold on. Yeah, we get a macro lens on here as well as a wide angle camera on here as well. So what about on video? We don't get the wide angle camera on video. We just get it on the pictures. So I'm gonna take a quick selfie on here and see how that does. This, what I like about this device is the overall feel. That metal circular design on the edges. It's rounded too, so it doesn't cut your fingers on the sides. Alright, so I took a shot. I did take a shot right now. It's pretty dark in my room right now, just to be completely honest with you. I might do a bokeh one just so I can see what that looks like. Yeah, that would look better because it'll blur out the background, but I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section. I'm also gonna be doing a follow-up video. Oh snap, I was talking right there. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that one. That's crazy. Yeah, definitely gonna show up in the comment section and answer all your questions that you have about this device. But this device does have that, you know what I'm saying, the 6.53 full HD plus display, as well as the Helio G25, as well as the 8 megapixel camera on there as well. as well on the front. So it does have that 12nm processing chip. Really nice matte texture on the back of this device. They call it the matte finish. Thermometers on here, gyroscope is on here, compass, accelerometer, fingerprint is on the side button. You get screen recording, you get your flashlight, you get many other options on here, nearby share, night mode, things like that. The device does feel pretty zippy overall. I still have to get into a little bit more detail with it, but in your settings menu, it's going to be pretty snappy as well. We also are getting Android 11 on here, as you can see right here. So I definitely think that's pretty cool guys, but let me know what you guys think about the Umidigi A11, and I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section, and definitely appreciate you guys for watching. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section. I'm gonna answer all your questions about the Umidigi A11. I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can purchase it as well. But appreciate you guys, and I'll check you guys later. I'm gonna get right back with you later, crew. Peace.